Uzodinma, a very, very quick one. Wana inwoka nonga, wafo ihimemba no. Ahia Kenneth Chukwu Emeka Nwachukwu. Onye awu the zonal chairman of APC. The zonal chairman of APC, Okigwe Zone. Okigwe Zonal chairman of APC. I hear this man. Oh. And this man, ekidina prayer since February 28th, 2025. Till today. Till today. Amahama this man or dendo. Amahama this man or round. Upon egonile nde kidina prayer na the family. Upon egonile nde kidina pro this man na the family, which is amounting up to 13-14 million. Amamina gota almost 13-14 million naira. Kahanara make it pro this man. But at the end of the day, Kahanara Cherego ransom road today. Unwebe honye no this man. Phone hand is communicating the family with the kidnappers. Onaza gaga. Amahama this man or dendo. Amahama this man on. And this man is a top official of APC in Imo State. The zonal chairman of APC. Okigwe Zone. Okigwe Zone. You know? Now, in the course of investigation, I've asked the family, what have the police done? Police, they are aware. When the police DSS is aware of this case. Even APC Imo State, they are aware of this case. Government, they are aware of this case. Come with February, rule now. They have abandoned the family of this man. Man, the political associate yo, my friends yo, my well-wishers yo, man den abia no laya man den abia no de camera no mo when ha get written ake as onye shi HND APC no Okigwe Zone. Onwe huzi, everybody have abandoned this family to their fate. And as I'm talking to you now, when this man no critically down na hospital. When this man the critically down na hospital. Wanye wetebe onwe sisi hamere ruo today. And if care is not taken, wanye ahụ nwere ike ana ekwu okwu mpa, ana ekwu okwu mma, mana Chineke ekwela. Chineke agaghị ekwekwenu. What am I trying to say? I am appealing to ndị niile ma onye owu ji this man, ma ndị ji this man. I am appealing to you. Now you ahola that they have abandoned him. Friends have abandoned him. Family have abandoned him. Well-wishers have abandoned him. Political friends, political associates, political this and that. The business associates here have abandoned him to his fate. I am appealing that you release this man. I am appealing that you release this man. You guys have collected ransom mounting to millions. Let it be on your conscience as human beings that you have collected ransom since it is kidnapped. If it is kidnapped, that you kidnapped him, then you should release him. The man, can the family wear closure? I'm no nebule this man come with February 20. I'm no nebule monona hununaka, unebu putano zie. Monebu putacheputano boya. So that the family can bury this man. Mauru no nebule. Mauru no nebule the man. Unebu putozie nozo. Cheputano boya nozo. Ka family emana no wala. So that they will have closure. This man I am appealing on behalf of the family on the ground that because even his own party have abandoned him, even his own political friends and political associates have abandoned him, friends well-wishers have abandoned him, business associates here have abandoned him. Since they have abandoned him, I am appealing that you release him. I am appealing that you release him. I am neku. Makana mam nandeji kuonya. My family very well. Uno my very well. Ọwụrụ na ihe a political kidnap, not because of politics ka ejiri kidnap ya. And na ọka dị ndụ n'aka unu. Bikonu, release enu this man. Ọrụkwanụ unu na-egbu olie, send the message across. Ka amara na ọnwụọla. Ọwa ozi unu ebupụta ya. Ọwa akpụkpụ unu achịpụta ya. The family achịrị ya nụ jelie, nwee closure. Ha emechi obi. Karawa n'obi. But they have been in agony since February 20th. They have been in agony. Even nwa ya nwaanyị emechara bo nwa ya nwaanyị ebubo na ya mere ejiri kidnap mpa ya. Emechara mee nwa ya nwaanyị arrest. Eburu nwa ya nwaanyị je zone 9. Before Tiger Base eje butekwo ndị ọzọ ma onye asị enwetara ndị ji POS emege imo. Because when that pool ego na account to the man, he send there to one POS girl like that. I know kwara na-ejidere onye nke but amahụ me mechara to happy ama because anọ m na anụ na atọ hapụrụ onye ejidere about this case. So ebe na ahụ na that even the government and the police and DSS have abandoned this man. Release is enu ni enu. They have abandoned him now. Government emeni abandon. Police emeni abandon. DSS emeni abandon. Because all these cases, police man. But since February 20th till today, 7 months, we be hearing about it. You can't go be police. You can't go be DSS. You can't go no now. You can't go be government. You can't go no now. Release is no this man. Una natala ego. Una natala ego. Release no the man. You know, release here. Or one no egbuole. Na chiputa no zi chiputa okpu can the family wey closure. Oh, they be always that's where I am going to. So that the family will have closure. Ka bi olile anya na anaghị agwụ agwụ because the thing ihe na-egbu mmadụ ọsịsọ olile anya na anaghị agwụ agwụ. You keep thinking, keep hoping. At the end of the day, onwe ihe ga-ahụ. It doesn't make sense. I'm appealing. Bikonu. Kpọpụtanụ this man. Kpọpụtanụ this man. Kpọpụtanụ this man. Ọkwa na ọ nwụọla. Unu ebupụta n'ozi ya. Chepụta n'ọkpụkpụ ya. Ka ndị nwe eje lie ya. Ndewo.